Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be taking you through a process on how I make borderless frame for my clients. Do well to subscribe, like the video, comment and also share the video to your loved ones. Apply your epoxy glue on your FDM board. Then after applying it, bring out your printed picture, place it on top of the FDM board. After placing your printed picture on top of the FDM board, then use your clean cloth to press the picture to the board. Once you are pressing the picture to the board, ensure that the picture is very lapped to the board. After pressing the picture to the board, then you bring out your knife or your scissors to cut out the excesses of the picture. As you can see in this video, I'm cutting out the excesses of the picture. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel to get notified anytime I post new video. If you want to join my Telegram supporting group, you can send a DM with my number showing on your screen, so that if you have a question or you want to buy any material that I'm using on my video, you can send a DM. You can have one-on-one conversation with me through my Telegram group. Here's when I put my hook, and here's the final picture frames. Wow, is this not beautiful? See you in my next video. Bye.